How you doing, guys? This is Chris at Dentless Touch, back again with another paintless dent repair video. Today you guys are in for a real treat. Let's take a look. You guys my thought process. So there's a high spot kink right here, and so there's a high spot kink right here that we need to knock down. The buckle goes all the way over here. There's a few little dents which I don't think they're the same damage, caused by the same damage, but this one definitely is. And then all of this whole entire area, this edge is kind of moved in. It's deformed. So I got to bring this edge up, and obviously bring this body line up, and then the crease that goes all the way across, and then the crease that goes this way. So let's get started. Tab, and it's the way the glue is adhering to the tab. That's what that is. So like another tab wouldn't do it. This tab may do it again. I'm gonna clean it off and show you, so that way you'll know. But normally when that happens, I just switch to another tab when it looks like that. It's just maybe it's contaminated or something.
What's the difference? The glue stick, the black and...
I don't know, the black is what they gave us for free in the black box. So I don't know if there's any major difference. But I know the green is obviously consistent, you know. So I've been trying to just switch out to the green. Just because I'm familiar with it. I really want to just, you know, get this job done as fast as possible. I don't want to sit there and exploring tools, you know. See, that came off clean.
Yeah, probably a little bit.
Yeah, just a little bit.